Hello dear students, welcome to our new lesson. It's lesson 24. Today we are going to talk about how to use present simple in the affirmative form. So are you ready? Let's start. The affirmative form is subject plus verb. Subject plus verb. There are two types of verbs in English. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay. For the regular verbs, most verbs in English are regular verbs because they follow the same pattern. Subject plus verb in the infinitive for I, you, we, and they, and subject plus verb in the infinitive plus s for he, she, and it. Okay, so please pay attention. The change is just in he, she, and it. Okay, so let's see the example. Verb to work. I work, you work, we work, they work. As you see here for I, you, we, and they, we keep the verb in the infinitive, no change. For he, she, and it, we add s to the verb work in the infinitive. He works, okay? She works, it works. We add s. I work in a bank, you work in a bank, he works in a bank, she works in a bank. It, as we saw before, it stands for animal, thing, or place. Okay? We work in a bank, you work in a bank, they work in a bank. For the irregular verbs, there are two rules. Verbs ending in sh, ch, o, x, and double s. For the form, subject plus verb in the infinitive for I, you, we, and they. No change. For he, she, and it, subject plus verb in the infinitive plus es. Okay, please pay attention here. We add es to the verb in the infinitive. And he, for he, she, and it. Okay, let's see the example. We have 5 verbs here. Miss, that ends in double s. Watch, that ends in ch. Push, that ends in sh. Go, that ends in o. Fix, that ends in x. Okay, so we'll see how we conjugate them. I, you, we, and they miss. He, she, it misses. I, you, we, they watch. He, she, it watches. I, you, we, they push. He, she, it pushes. I, you, we, they go. He, she, it goes. I, you, we, they fix. He, she, it fixes. Okay, did you see? So here the change is just in the third person singular. He, she, and it. Okay, here we add es to the verb in the infinitive. Okay, is it clear? Let's move to the second rule. Verbs ending in consonant plus y. We change y into I. Then we add es to the third person singular, he, she, and it. Okay, so let's see the example. Verb to study. Verb to study. For I, you, we, they, we keep the verb in the infinitive, no change. For he, she, and it, we change y to I and we add es. Okay, because y is preceded by d. D is a consonant. Okay, I study, you study, we study, they study. He studies, she studies, it studies. There are some exceptions. Let's see the exception here. Some verbs change completely in the third person singular he, she, and it. Okay, so let's see. Verb to have. Verb to have, it changes completely in he, she, and it, but it stands as it is in I, you, we, and they. So here we have I have, you have, we have, they have. Okay, it's the verb in the infinitive, but for he, she, and it changes completely. So we have he has, she has, it has. Okay, I have a mobile, you have a mobile, he has a mobile, she has a mobile, we have a mobile, you have a mobile, they have a mobile. So try to practice with these verbs. Okay, it's an exercise for you to prepare it. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay, I prepared for you regular verbs: wake, eat, drink, play, smile, and write. For the irregular verbs: cross, catch, try, do, wish, and mix. So please try to practice what we saw before. Okay, and good luck, and thank you for your attention. Okay, see you soon.